welcome back to another video. My name is Chataira, and in today's video, you guys guessed it, yes, we're doing another grocery haul. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, I post grocery hauls, cooking content, cleaning content, anything mother and life, childhood related. I plan on incorporating that more in my channel this year. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, happy new year, happy 2022. It was a good year last year overall. I can't complain. I had a lot of great things happen, a lot of blessings, like my latest blessing, my daughter Ariyah Cooper. I had a continual blessing with my daughter Amari Cooper. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this grocery haul. So I did end up going to Ralph's today. I also need to go to Sam's Club and Walmart, but I'm not sure if I will include that in this video. If I do, you guys will see it. If not, be on the lookout for that in the next video. So yes, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Just a side note that I did spend $198, and it's not a lot of food, but groceries are totally expensive right now, as you guys know. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so this is everything that I purchased. I did purchase 3 waters, which are in the corner already, so I'm not going to show you that, but this is just the stuff that I picked up for today, and this will be for the week, and this is just for the freezer. When you see a lot of meat like this, I'm definitely freezing it, just because I buy stuff that's on sale, especially meat. I tend to buy when it's on sale. So along with this video, you will see a meal plan on how I plan on eating these meals throughout the week. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So in today's video, I have bought this milk. My sister had this milk and I absolutely loved it, and I thought she bought it from somewhere out far or whatever. I didn't know where she got it from, but I saw it at Ralph's and I was like, yes, this is mine. So yeah, I love chocolate milk. So the next thing that I bought was some hazelnut creamer, and this is just to go with my coffee. Now I normally drink the caramel macchiato flavor by Starbucks, but I also do love hazelnut, so I thought that I would return back to that flavor as well. So this week I will be cooking a chicken pot pie for myself and my grandparents. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchased this pie crust shell to go with it, and so I also picked up some bananas because they are good for you, a good source of potassium. So yeah, if not, you get those Charlie horses, so that's kind of how you keep those at bay. So the next thing I bought was some family size cream of chicken soup to go with the chicken pot pie. So the next thing that I purchased was the jelly cranberry sauce, and this is going to go for little wraps that you have that Costco sells. I'll show you guys a video on how I make this actually, because it's a dupe to the Costco wraps. And so yeah, the next thing that I picked up was just oven roasted turkey breast to go with the wraps. I have potatoes. I know that this is for a meal. I just can't remember exactly which meal it is right now. So for a snack, I bought some mangoes, and Amari hasn't tried mangoes before, so I do plan on giving her mangoes. The next thing that I picked up are just some cuties, some mandarin oranges, and these are bussin', so I'm glad that they had those on sale. Another snack for Amari would be the flavored fruit and grain bars, and she really loves these things, so I picked those up because we had stopped eating them for a while. So while at Ralph's, I went ahead and got some goldfish for her snack. I picked up 2 Caesar salads for either dinner or lunchtime. When I go to Sam's Club, I will pick up 2 or 3 more for the week, and just trying to get more vegetables and more healthier stuff. And so let's just go ahead and keep going. I also purchased some Ritz toasted chips. Those are really good. While there, I picked up a 3 pepper onion blend, And these are just good for your freezer when you don't like to use the fresh bell peppers and all that good stuff. And so I don't know who Sister Schubert is, but her rolls are really, really good. These will go with the spaghetti that I plan on having this week. I also picked up some sour cream. You never know when you're gonna need it. And I picked up a Kroger brand original cream cheese. I picked up 3 cucumbers for snacks. If you have this with Italian dressing and just slice them up and let them sit for a few hours, like, they're so good. So yeah, that's usually something I eat every week. And so I have the ultimate petite mixed vegetables to make the chicken pot pie. And so while there, I also picked up some tater tots. Had some at my mom's house last week and I enjoyed them, so I thought that I would pick up some more this week. And so just for cheese snacks, I picked up some mild cheddar, and these are good with, by themselves with a boiled egg or pepperoni slices. They're a really good high protein snack. So yeah, I love chewy bars, and I already dug into the box on the way home because I just wanted a snack because I am hungry. I was hungry. So yeah, I also picked up the macaroni and cheese because you guys know Amari loves this and her Danimals. Speaking of Danimals, I picked up Danimals, and I've never tried them, but she really seems to like them. But I got the Danimal smoothie, 6 banana and 6 strawberry flavor. These are a staple in our house. So you know what's going around and whatever. So I picked up my husband his favorite drink, the Evolution Fresh Defense Up drink. Okay, so next I purchased some cinnamon crackers for just a snack for my daughter. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get that. And also I bought some Activia because I want to work on my gut health a little bit this year, and I'm not exactly 100% sure, but I heard that these were good for that. So I went ahead and picked up the Activia 6 strawberry and 6 peaches, 6 peach flavor. Okay, so I also picked up some French fries. You never know when you're gonna need them, so I just like to keep them on hand. I also picked up some 4131s, and those 4133s, and those are the Gala apples. I also picked up some tortilla shells for the Costco dupe wraps. I also bought another petite vegetable. In this bag I have some avocados, some aguacates, and they are going to be for breakfast. Just trying to get away from my classic breakfast, and it's really like I'm just getting tired of eating the same stuff for breakfast, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try to incorporate different breakfast meals more. I just eat a lot of the same stuff: oatmeal, sausage, eggs, and I'm just kind of getting burnt out on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to eat some more different things. So the last 2 items that I'm gonna show you are simply a tomato and some blueberries. So, oh, and non-food related, I bought some regular ones, and I noticed that they weren't washable, and they're really staining Amari's hands. So I was just like, no, I need to go ahead and get her some washable ones so that they're not totally just always keeping her hands just so yucky. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this haul, please leave me a comment down below. Encourage me in this season that I'm in and staying consistent with my uploads. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.